Hi everyone! Welcome sa aking channel. For this video series ay ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-solve ng mga related rates problems. Before we continue, please like, follow, and subscribe to my social media accounts. So ito yung ating example number 1 ng related rates problem. It's like a basic one kasi ang involved lang natin dito mga variables ay yung general na x and y. So ang sabi ng example number 1 is find dy over dt if 8y cubed plus x squared is equal to 1 where dx over dt is equal to 2, x is equal to 3, then y is equal to negative 1. So, ang ibig sabihin ng problem na ito is, ito yung relationship ng variable x and y, and then we're going to find the rate of change ng variable y with respect to time, na kung saan ito yung mga given. X is equal to 3, y is equal to negative 1, and ang rate of change ng x with respect to time is 2 units. So, ibig sabihin, nag-i-increase ang value ng x ng 2 units. Paano naman mag-i-increase or magdi-decrease yung value ng y? So, ang una nating gagawin is we're going to apply implicit differentiation dahil ito ay implicit function. So, ang function natin ay 8y cubed plus x squared is equal to 1 using the implicit differentiation with respect to time. Yung ating 8y cubed, ang kanyang derivative ay 24y squared dy over dt. Kasi we are differentiating with respect to time. At wala namang variable time sa ating function. Then, etong sa part na to, derivative ng x squared with respect to time, kaya magkakaroon din tayo dyan ng dx over dt. So, ang x squared, ang kanyang derivative ay 2x na may dx over dt. And then, eto sa 1, dahil siya ay constant, ang kanyang derivative ay 0. So, itong na ngayon, yung gagamitin natin sa next step. Ito ulit yung ating nakuha sa implicit differentiation. Ito naman yung ating mga given values. X, y, and dx over dt. So sa part na to, ang isa-substitute natin dito ay value ng y. Ito ngayon ay magiging 24 times negative 1 squared dy over dt kasi wala pa tayong value ng dy over dt kasi yun yung unknown. And then dito sa part na to, ang isa-substitute natin ay x at saka dx over dt. So ito ngayon ay 2 times 3 times 2. So ito sa part na to, mariretain lang to is equal to 0. Ayan. So ipaprocess natin ngayon ito para ma-isolate yung dy over dt. So dito sa part na to, negative 1 squared ay 1 times 24, kaya siya 24 dy over dt. Then itong part na to, 2 times 3 times 2 is 12. Yan. And then is equal to 0. So, isi-simplify pa natin to further para ma-isolate yung dy over dt. Itong positive 12, itatranspose natin sa kanan. Siya ay magiging negative 12. So, 24 dy over dt is equal to negative 12. Then, isi-simplify further pa natin. So, i-divide natin siya both sides by 24. Ayan, ito ngayon ay magiging 24 divided by 24. Ang matitira na lang ay dy over dt. So, dito naman sa part na to, ang magiging sagot is negative 12 over 24. So, dy over dt is equal to negative 12 over 24. Pero, hindi pa ito yung final answer kasi kaya pa nating i-simplify yung 12 over 24, which is 1 half. Therefore, ang dy over dt natin is negative 1 half. So, ang ibig sabihin nito is ang value of y is nagdi-decrease ng 1 half units, habang ang value of x naman ay nag-i-increase ng 2 units. Okay, so if you like this video, please like and share. Then, pakipollow na rin po ako sa aking mga social media accounts. Thank you!